when you're subscribed to my YouTube channel? Probably not. And then you're just sleeping, and then you get a notification.
I definitely.
Welcome back to another video. If you don't subscribe in the next 5 seconds, you're gonna get bit from this spider. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 1, number 20, oh no, number 15. Burger foot lettuce. Next thing you want in your lettuce is a no. Next thing you want in your burger is a foot fungus. Hold on, wait, no. Number 15. Burger foot lettuce. The next thing you want in your burger is someone else's foot fungus. And number 14. Sparking chicken. Whenever you cook your chicken, make sure who is in my live stream. I will fire you. I just wanna say goodbye. PC is bad. I swear it's so relatable. Take care. PC is bad.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Just now.
Oh, see, we messed up.
Where are you guys at? I got this man like 1 HP. What are y'all doing? Oh my god, you guys are so stupid, bro.
I'm squad leader.
What are y'all doing?
Who cares about squad leader?
I know, you guys are so far away. You're like 50 miles away. LJC, shut up. You're not even a leader. Oh my god, bro. You are brain damaged.
Whoa,
I think we need to. I think I need to teach this man, because whatever school he's going to, he needs to leave that school.
Oh, I guess y'all don't want
Percy, there ain't no way you killed yourself. Percy, no one can help you, so you might as well just give up. Oh god! Oh god, watch out! Watch out! Oh god! It's a warfare! I'm dying! Hey, Percy, no one can help you, you know that, right? Oh, Percy left. His thing is probably said error connection out of service.
Hey yo, you wanna restart the game?
If you had to go, then I'm gonna have to go.
No, it's probably that he had to restart the game.
If he had to go, then I'm gonna have to go.
Why?
Because actually no, I said okay. Not yet.
Tell him after this game.
He's gonna call me, bro, and I just threw my phone on the couch. This kid. I swear, I'm gonna give him a whooping. Oh!
Come, get this launcher.
It's a MK11 launcher. Someone shooting. Someone just shot a rocket launcher. Or someone shot a rocket launcher or something. Someone shot a rocket launcher. Where? I want to look for him. I really want to see one. They're actually a rare source of natural animals.
One dead? Oh, he's got one dead.
Oh my god, I'll just see kill him. I'll just see he's almost dead. You're dog water! You're dog water! You're dog water! Oh wait. Bro, look who's freaking party leader now, Drew. I can't invite him. Invite Percy. I can't invite him.
I can't invite him either. Is he in?
I want to join him.
I can't invite him.
I'm gonna join him. Hello, 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 hello. Yo, someone invite Drew. I'm gonna have to be right back.
Hey! Right here.
Someone invite Drew. I'm gonna have to be right back.
Hey! Right here. Bro, hey. Oh, I gotta download Bitmoji.
Look,
What are weirdos? Okay, let's look. Oh, I have a free bundle. Oh!
Chelsea, Drew, and then.
Wait, double XP tokens. What is that? How do I use those? Edit loadout, make a new loadout. Don't care about this. Let's go, the XM4!
Got lucky that y'all get to XM4.
Oh, you know what? It's because you started playing this game after I did. Cause I played this game before lots of people. Camouflage.
Back. Where's Percy?
He's there.
Percy.
What?
You gonna start the game or you changing the loadout?
Oh shit. Okay, see, I'll give you my XM4 loadout.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what? He doesn't even have the XM4.
Dude, y'all don't even
Yeah,
know
but when I get the loadout.
XM4.
Slow
I
down.
have to buy Black Ops to get the XM4, don't I?
No, you don't. I have Black
No,
Ops.
Well,
when
because
we
there's a
get
bug
our
where it won't
when we
unlock.
get our loadout, I'm gonna give the XM4 to you.
So, LJC,
How are you going to give it to
you
me?
had to be playing, whenever before the Vanguard update, because that.
Hold on, wait,
that-
don't start the game. Wait, don't start the game. Let me change my. You know, I was gonna say don't
Okay,
start
so
the
I
game
just
so I
can't
can change my
never
thing.
unlock the M4, XM4. Even if I
Just
buy,
watch.
even if I buy Black
Oh no, if you buy Black Ops, you're getting it.
Ops, I already know what I'm gonna buy today. Actually, I'm broke. My birthday's coming up. I'll do that. I forgot my birthday.
I'm not getting you anything.
I don't care.
Femboys
It's your
are the
birthday,
best, bro.
Oh my god, I'm streaming. Shut up. Anyways.
Fem.
I'm gonna flex on this man using a Gravitas. I'm gonna use a Gravitas. What? Frick. I'm flexing on you by using
I hope everyone hear that. If you don't like femboys, I will rape you.
Look, LGC.
Who's?
And give
Oh,
it to
please
you.
don't do it. Please don't do it. I really don't want. I really want you not to.
Take this time to ready up.
Percy, don't do it. Percy, yeah, I know because you're annoying.
Come on, please, Percy. I hope
Yes,
you guys-
I am giving it.
Percy, don't give it. Don't give it.
Thank you. You're lazy.
Percy, don't do it. Percy, don't do it. Percy, don't do it. Percy, don't do it. Percy, don't do it.
I kiss you.
Percy, don't do it.
Why?
Bro, this kid is annoying.
Because he's mad that I'm better than. And,
No, I'm- you can't even talk. That's how bad you are. You can't even talk. That's how bad you are.
He's just
This man is stuttering. Look, this man is stuttering, bro. That's how we know he's freaking man. And look at me, man. Look at me. My point is, you're gay. You can't. You're not even that good in the game. Like this way, you have 0 kills every time at the 5 minute. Like, but we played this game for 10 minutes and you still have 0 kills. Like, oh my god. There ain't no way you're this bad.
Make your way to the safe zone.
You're even worse than Drew. That's how bad you are.
I can't hurt.
What was the message you sent me? I'm sir. I can't hear. Oh well. Restart your game after. Oh dang, bro! You didn't have to commit suicide like that. Dang, Percy, you better not let him do you like that. Let's go.
You got this. Let's go, Percy.
Primary objective.
Hope you die, LJC. Nah, man, I didn't say anything. Hey, Percy, where you at? You need help? Oh no, you good. You good.
Yeah, I need help.
Okay, you need help. Where's he at? I'm Superman. I will save the day. Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's right in front of me. He's right in front of me.
I don't know where right in front of you is. I'm freaking blind.
I can't get up there. Okay.
Play more out. Got me sighted.
Percy, can you just mark him? Or is that physically not possible?
Oh, he's by the truck. Over here. By the box. The box culture.
He's over there. He's over here.
Curve eyes on.
He's right here.
Stun grenade out.
Okay, get down.
Oh my god, this is gonna be the worst game ever, bro. I didn't know it. Man's is in like helicopter. Probably gonna get in the helicopter, just run us off. All over. Hey, you got my soup? You got my food? Percy, why did you shoot him? Oh, that was LJC. I just wanna give you time. I wanna kill you. What is this man doing? He came out of nowhere. Oh yeah, he left because he said he couldn't hear. It's because he said he couldn't hear. Drew's on. He said he couldn't hear.
Leave them the fuck alone.
No! Oh my. We could've, I can't even join.
Next time will be different.
I can't even join the game! I just wanna say goodbye. Karate chop. Na 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 na. Yeah. Drew, is Drew here or no?
I'm pretty sure he is.
Let me see. Oh, everybody's here. Who is watching that? I can go longer, but hey, let's go. I can go longer, but can we start the game?
I'm not the person that controls.
Drew. He can't hear.
If you don't start your game.
He's deaf. Drew, come on my live stream. No, he said he couldn't hear. Drew, join my stream. I think I have an idea for you to fix that. Try to plug. Hey, I'm part of the leader. Now I'm gonna kick all of you out. Percy, you there?
Why?
I was just gonna remove players. Alright, remove players.
I'll get on my knees. I'll get on my knees if you want.
Alright, you know what? I'm removing you.
No. Please. I'll make it good.
Oh,
Invite group. Can't.
peace.
Party privacy.
Are you gonna?
Yeah.
Drew.
Well, I can't invite him, so.
This dude is calling me. Oh my gosh. You peasant. Yes, buddy. Church. Like, only me? Or only us? Or like, can you hear the like, can you hear like different sound effects? Here, join us. I think you muted us. I think it's because you muted us. Here, press,
Dumb, bro. Why does it have that chance? Why does it?
It's
why
because you probably, because you pressed mute all. Maybe that's why. You pressed mute all, so and then
How do you
it did all that. I don't know.
I was in my XM4 loadout and y'all were talking. And we turned it. Oh. And we got here.
Oh, what you eating there, huh?
There you go.
Huh?
Oh. I don't know.
Do you have boba? Did you get boba?
I got Boba.
Can I have some?
Bobo's mid.
I can't.
No, it's not. Hey, boy, is boba mid? Huh?
The black balls are mid, but the flavored ones are good.
Alright, then never mind. Bro, who's watching? Who's watching that? Actually, I don't think I need a real grip. I'm trying to make the class that. It was something else. Buddy, what do you
That
have?
sounds the most.
What is happening, bro? Are you watching teenagers?
Wait, Drew.
One of those teenagers
You can
doing
get it
idiot
in
stuff.
If I buy Cody one, so I can automatically
Check
get
weapons and gear.
Oh, you can get it if you buy
time
it.
for
Cool.
deployment.
Yeah, guys.
Yup.
You want.
Hostiles
This
dropping
thing,
into
if
the
you
area.
hit all of your headshot, bro, it like goes faster than.
Oh, this is
Oh
the
my God.
Gravitas.
Dude, also, have you
Preparations
seen
done.
the right,
Time to
the
deploy
right
to the
class with
war
the
zone.
XM4?
It has no recoil.
The what? MP what? 4?
XM4.
Oh, I thought you said MP4. I was like, what?
LTC is the only person who doesn't have it.
You gay.
Oh,
wait, you.
He's right and he said the N-word.
He did. Many times. I'll cut him 4K. He said it out loud. He said it as loud as you can.
You're white
Hey,
now.
let's go to Nova.
No, we're not going to Nova. No gay people.
Nova. Well, no gay people over here, so.
Kill all targets.
There's a lot of gay people over there. I don't know
Oh no, there's no one here. I'm for real, no one's here.
You're being tracked by an enemy team. Tread carefully.
Well, guess what? You're mid.
Oh my god! You just suck. You just suck at the game.
Uno reverse card. Let's go. Did you just say I hope you die in a fire? That's dark. Hey, don't chill. That went too far. That was kind of dark whenever you said I hope you die in a fire. What did you say? What did you just say, Tommy?
No.
I know, it was like, it was from, It was roasting from to like I don't care anymore. Hey, give me all your money. Please go buy loadout.
Nah, I'm not getting your money. I
Get
own this
loadout.
money.
Buy loadout. Buy the loadout, you
You
booty.
have to go to grandma's house. We're on the loadout here.
No, we're not going to
Wait,
Grandma's
Percy,
house.
remember? You're gonna give me that XM4?
Yeah, we're going to Harvard.
Oh my god.
Give me an X.
Buy loadout. Buy loadout. Oh my god. Oh.
No,
I knew that.
Buy session that does not exist.
I was just kidding.
He's about to like kill him. I was just killing, bro.
I was just joking.
You're not getting my XM4, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna flex on you with an XM4 that you don't have. I got the gravitas. Gravitas, the gravitas. Gravitas, gravitas.
I finally get it. Who stole it?
Who stole it? Wait, I'll just stay here.
Okay. I'll grab it. Here. Drop it, and I'll drop. I'll drop it, and I'll drop it.
You've got gas moving in.
No, give me that extra
Supply
food.
box marked. Secure the goods.
I'll do it if you don't leave it.
Hello?
Whose gun do I
I
have?
drop that. I drop it, and I'll give you the gun. I drop it, and I'll give you it. Drop it.
Whose
I'm
gun
just kidding.
is
I don't
this?
even have it.
I know whose gun it is. Oh my god.
Oh shoot.
He's camping, bro. He's camping. By the way, my buddy has 2 XM4s on it if you really want it.
This is right.
LJC, there's 2 XM4s behind
Yeah.
you. Grab one. Don't take the other one. No, it's cracking. It's bad. It's fine. No, it's fast.
Let's
It kills fast.
go. Assist? What do you mean assist?
Sorry guys, I was cooking some.
Oh, you guys are dog water. Drew, I swear I will grab. I will grab you, twist you into a freaking ball, and let me see his loadout.
It's my first
What
one
is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Never mind.
Oh, he dies. Never mind. It's because I don't have any bullets in my gun. I have 3 bullets.
Gas is
Then
closing in.
reload. Have you ever heard of reloading?
I had 3 bullets with no other bullets. I don't know what I can reload with.
Contract.
Where did my gun go?
Can I reload with Roscoe? What do I
They are here.
reload with my
Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it
my
is.
guy?
You can. It's physically possible in the book.
Physically possible is not physically good.
Get your next swipe.
Like I can physically eat batteries, but I'm not gonna eat it.
Hey, who's shooting up there, buddy? I'm gonna kill you.
I need an ammo box.
It's a freaking school shooter.
Oh, shut up. It's just dark.
We know there is. Oh, yeah. Remember the bombing? Like the kid who threatened bombing at our school, bro?
What?
And that we had to sit, you know, whenever we had to sit outside for like 15 minutes.
No.
I don't know, I'm buying
Who are you shooting at? Gasper? I don't see no one here. Who are you shooting at?
I need an
Enemy
armor box.
UAV active.
Are you trying to airbend? Like, it's not doing anything though.
Can somebody get an ammo box?
I don't have one.
Like, How, this kid missed every single shot.
Negative.
I just wanna say goodbye. I'm coming with you. Coming. You guys stay over here. Or not.
I have literally 3 bullets in a gun, so I don't think I can really fight.
I don't care. Be a man.
He's above you! Behind you!
I don't know where above me is.
Enemies in the area. Enemies in the area.
He's somewhere over there.
Supply box
Ammo, just need ammo.
Oh my god, you scared me, Percy. You pussy, you took my dick. He left. He's a pussy.
only have 3 bullets in my gun.
see if it I reload it then, dummy.
I have 3 bullets left.
I know, just reload. It's not that hard just to reload.
Someone could use that.
Oh, let's go.
Reload it with your chest.
Hey, buy loadout.
Reload it.
Yeah.
Reload it with your PP.
Now who is this? Hey, it's MJ. What's up, boy? What's up, MJ?
What's up, Andre? I like.
Hey, yo, MJ's in my stream right now, bruh. This dude. This MJ's in my stream right now. He's watching it
Just
right
tell him
now.
you can't join.
Tell MJ that.
Yeah,
he's
you
dead.
can't. You can't join. What's up, bruh? What's up,
Yeah,
dude?
this is the OP. This is the goat load. This is the goat load. So
Yeah, no, you're
these are the goats.
Did you buy loadout?
I can't buy
we
loadout.
don't need loadout.
Yeah.
Yes, you can. You literally have 9,000.
Why do we need it?
Got gas inbound.
Go
Safe zone
Saucy.
Because I
relocated.
want my XS4. LGC
Why?
XS4 is so trash.
Oh my God! Why did you?
No, nothing,
I
bro.
can't get it. Dude, what is my? It's not my fault. You should have never
Just
gave
go
it to
up here and
him.
buy one up here, bro.
You could have just got his own Max 10.
Xander, here, we're
Because he
left.
wants his freaking XM4 when he should have never gave it to you. It's his. It's
Why are you
his.
so mad?
Because I'm trying to win that game. This man wants to buy loadout for no reason. I probably just could have. I could have bought UAV. Okay.
Oh my gosh,
Okay.
they're getting closer.
They're getting closer. They're getting close. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Get in the house. That's mine. This is mine.
So I can actually fight.
I was meant to put it over there, but
Make your way to the target.
I'm going over here, guys. I bet
I
there's
need
no
to get
one
my
here.
Still alive.
I'm coming. I'm pushing with you.
Enemy UAV.
We went.
They're on towers.
Wanna do something with SNEOing.
Let's do something anyway. Drew, what are you doing? Drew. Go kill him, Drew. Kill him, Drew.
He's
Go
dead.
kill
he's
him.
dead.
He's almost dead. He's one shot. Oh my God, you failure. You are dead. Go kill him. Go kill him, Drew, on your right. Go kill him.
Oh my god.
Go kill him, Drew. Go kill him. Go. Be a man.
I'm coming.
Be a man. Drew, you can't snipe. Use your gun. Use your gun. Yes, Drew. Yes, Drew.
We're not joining
Yes,
you,
Drew.
MJ, bro.
I'm sorry, MJ, but we can't join right now.
Yeah, we're right now in it.
We're in a game, and it's kind of full.
Yeah.
I'm rushing. What the fudge? Give me that. Give me this. Give me this.
XM4 for the win, bro. XM4
Behind you! LJC, you're so dumb! Percy, go kill him! He's almost dead! He's one shot! LJC, you suck! How did you not kill him? He was behind you! Drew! LJC! Oh my god!
Less than 10.
LJC! I had one job. I'm gonna do something that's annoying. Oh my god, you guys are dumb. How did she? How? He was behind you. How do you look forward whenever someone's shooting at you behind you?
I thought you were the enemy.
No, I'm your freaking cousin. I'm your freaking stupid teammate. You dumbass. You failure. Oh my god.
Celebrate no longer being emo and going
I sit by myself, sucking to the moon.
You're talking to the moon.
I sit by myself, talking to the moon. It all over. I sit by myself, talking to
Take this time to ready up.
Emoji rolling on the floor laughing. 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 Emoji rolling on the floor laughing.
No, MJ, what the heck? What are you doing to my live stream, bro?
Emoji rolling on the floor laughing.
MJ just broke my live
Emoji rolling on the
stream.
floor laughing. Emoji rolling on the 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 floor laughing.
Dude, look at my... Percy, go to my stream.
Emoji rolling on the floor laughing.
Glizzy, 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 on my mind. Glizzy, 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 on my mind.
What? I like them glizzy,
I
but I
like
got my
glizzy, 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 on my mind. I'm on glizzy, 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 on the floor, on my mind. And I am fine.
Enemy soldiers nearby.
Percy, you suck. Okay, never mind, I do. Oh, whoa,
Wait, you died, you suck.
no, I didn't die because I just disconnected in my game. I just disconnected. Imagine dying.
I'm trying to do something.
And your mother in the same night. My God, is that a Russian? Oh my God, we gotta work another game. We have to kill all Russians right now.
Where's Tassi? Tassi, are you gay? Yes, you're gay. Okay.
He's smashed.
Enemy dropping into the
He's pushing. We're gonna finish.
kill.
I was trying to beat him, man.
Oh, it's the Russian again.
Oi, we're all friends here.
Bro, one kill.
Enemy dropping.
Hey, follow my beat, follow my beat.
Everybody wants to be They were
Some random kid.
Wait, what do you think the X for is, JC?
I think it's a beast weapon.
It's in the assault rifles.
Nearby.
I know it's a like I'm just saying it's a beast.
I died from gas, bro.
Have you seen it there? Like in locked? Is it locked? Please tell me you've seen it in the locked character.
Hey guys, did you know that there's this place that is just like Rebirth Island?
Yeah, no, there is.
Yeah, Rebirth Island actually exists.
I killed the Russian! I killed
Yeah, but it's not. It's like not detailed in like not detailed, but like
the buildings are like kind of destroyed. The other
Yeah.
buildings are kind of been
so they're kind of like the BL4. So like, Drew, there's this one place that's there's this one place that is just like Rebirth, but it's kind of like BL4 because it's like destroyed. BL4 version of Rebirth. Remember that Island? I'm not gonna lie. I've never played Rebirth Island on BL4.
Yeah, let's go paint a room. Everybody, paint a room in full white. You see the room that we're camping in? Go in there and start painting it.
Where?
There, this one right here. This one right here. Close the door.
Enemy dropping into
Close
the
the
AO.
door. Now,
No, what if we get like landmines and then come over, like what if we get like loadout, grab landmines and then just put like landmines everywhere. What if we get landmines whenever in our put landmines in our loadout and then start like putting them everywhere, like camp over there somewhere.
I just sprayed some mustard on your feet. Dude, look at mustard.
Oh my god! What the freak happened?
Sweaty kid. Don't die. Like, just please, don't die. Like,
Bro, did you guys die?
please, man.
How did you guys die?
That's what you get. That's what you get for using a freaking RPG. If every girl was a lesbian, then we wouldn't be alive.
We're talking about I'm squad leader. Get the
Squad leader, I say we drop prison.
How to say I choose
Wait, let's Nova has the thing.
Closing on
Drop
your
Nova if it
position.
has the bike. Drop Nova. It has the bike. Drop Nova. If it has the bike, you can drop this.
What did I ask?
Yeah, I asked, okay? How about that? Okay.
What did I ask?
But then I don't care.
I'm smart.
You need to blend in. You need to blend in. I gotta take you back on yours. Stop.
Friendly fire will
I need to make you green. I need to make you green.
Shut up. Shut up.
Wait, stay there.
Stay away.
spray
Stay away.
mustard on his feet.
Stay away. Stay away. Wait, what did you just say?
Spray mustard on his
Oh,
Wait,
good
if you got a
advice.
machine pistol, if you got a...
What the?
What does this gun do?
What did you have? Oh, okay. It's just a machine gun.
nebula round.
Give me your money.
Or else I'm gonna kill you with my floaty.
Oh yeah, we can buy loadout already?
I ain't got.
Everybody give me all your money. Everybody give me all your money. Everybody give me all your money.
He's like one shot.
I don't have any.
Oh, ow. That was me. I killed myself. Give me your money. Give me your money. Give me your money. Everybody give me your money.
I don't have any.
Give me the money.
He's already
Give me your money. Give me your money. I can buy loadout. I can buy UAV. I can buy UAV. No, I can buy UAV. Give me your money, bro. I can buy UAV. Bro, give me your money.
Find your own money.
Let me buy freaking UAV. I need to buy UAV. Bro, if you don't give me your money, bro.
Buy
You
an
just
ammo
spend it
box,
on
buy an ammo
something?
box,
Oh my god, bro. You're such a faggot, bro. Get it, dad.
I'm gay.
Like, oh my god.
I dropped my money.
You're such an idiot. You have no money. You're broke. You're freaking homeless.
I have no money.
Oh my
here's some
god,
money.
bro.
Wait,
No,
here's some money.
no, shut up. No, shut up.
The blood
Dude, it's money. It's money. You need it, right? It's money. Here's money.
Guys, guys, watch out. Guys, they're coming. Guys, they're coming. Guys, they're coming. Guys, they're literally
What's coming?
There's a whole squad that was in a helicopter, and they're coming to buy loadout, bro.
Enemy UAV active.
What? I think they have UAV. Boys, I'm
Drop
coming.
one.
Allied cluster strike arriving.
After I do that.
Enemy cluster strike. Watch your heads.
I dropped it on him. What y'all get? That's what y'all get. They're actually dropping it on us.
Dude, why are they so serious about us, bro?
They're scared of us. That's how good we are. They're scared of us. That's how scared. My God, I'm rich again?
Enemy soldier nearby.
Oh, he's dropping on us. Dropping on us.
I am under fire.
Tussie, he's on
Move it.
Oh! Don't come in here! Don't come in here! Don't come in here!
What happened to
Oh,
pillow
it's a
fights and
zombie!
stabbing?
You nearly squad wiped them all.
What? How is he not dead?
Now he's dead. I show you a shot at him. Need to grab my X4, bro. It's OP, bro. Why did I spawn a mile away from us?
Bro, they're coming from everywhere.
Where's my stuff at? He's downstairs. He's downstairs.
Where's this kid? Where are these? Oh my
What the frick?
god, bro. I'm done. I'm about to freaking.
Explosive charge planted. Don't you dare play Fortnite.
Did I? I never even said I was gonna play Fortnite.
Cause if you play Fortnite, I'm not coming with you.
I never said I was playing Fortnite. And I don't care if you don't come.
I'm just saying, if you switch a game, we're most likely not gonna play with you.
I don't care.
You tend
I
to
never said I
give up.
was gonna switch a game, you idiot. This kid is deaf. I don't think he
Oh, my
is.
freaking loadout
Like-
again.
It's stupid.
All I
Wait,
want.
there's one more guy. There's one more guy. Where is he? Oh my god. It's
I
too
wanna
late.
play with
I have a
y'all.
heartbeat sensor.
So
Oh,
cool.
it's
So
already
cool.
full.
Oh my gosh. Like, it's not like we have one.
But who took my?
My body. Where's
I
my
hear
Enemy soldier
Who
nearby.
took my freaking gun? Oh, there it is. There it is.
He jumped.
They're on top.
He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
I don't care.
Enemy UAV active.
There's someone else.
He's outside. He's outside.
I know
I
he
mean,
is.
it's too late. Everybody's already here.
Just let him get gas. Let's just let him
Wait,
push us.
Percy.
Come on, come on, come on.
Buy loadout.
He's right here.
After buy,
He's
I don't
right
think
here.
we can have him.
Tussie.
Get to the safe zone.
Really? Wow. Revive me. Forget about him.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got some mask in me.
I'm gonna take a house.
Come on,
I'm
go,
gonna
go,
take a
go,
house.
go, 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 go.
This gas is going to kill us.
I got out of the gas.
Hey, we need to get to a buy station.
Percy, your fat butt is in the way, bro.
I literally grabbed my. First thing I
Hey,
did
yo.
was grab my
Someone's over
loadout.
here.
Like, dude, 90 my
Enemies in the area.
Yeah.
I wanna go rush him out there.
Oh, there's guys like directly under me right now.
He's cracked. He's cracked.
Jump him! Jump him!
That's mine. Thank you.
I need his shield.
Go grab it. Someone else is here, I think.
Keep moving, kids.
2 people over there. 2 people over here.
Move it.
Oh,
Gas is
yeah,
moving
there's
in.
also her glove.
New
No,
safe zone
one
highlight.
way over
Enemy
there.
marked.
One way over there.
Oh,
Buy
there's another
He's
station
kid.
cracked shield. Cracked shield. Cracked shield.
Good one.
soldier
Good
nearby.
one. Someone, I killed one over here on me.
One right there, one right there.
Where's right here?
One was over there,
Enemies in
one was
the
over
area.
there. somewhere.
One on me.
Yeah, that's him. I shot him a few times.
Someone.
Bro, I got ran
Nice,
down.
nice,
Yes,
nice,
that's
nice.
We're doing good right
He
now.
just said I got rammed down. That's sad.
Yeah,
31.
We
They're in
really,
this building,
all
they're
we
in this
need
building.
is just UAV.
Watch out, watch out.
wait,
Hold out, hold
buy me loadout, buy me loadout.
They're 10. He's like above me. 5.
Allied UAV
They're above,
overhead.
they're above.
Hunt them down.
This kid is bad. Kill him. You're behind you. Percy on your left, on your left. Kill him, kill him, kill him. LJC. LJC, bro.
25
There ain't no
remain.
way when I label this kid.
Learn from the
How do you both die?
Pull up.
Pull, 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 pull. Pull up. What did he say before? I want to play with y'all.